Hi there, my beko washing machine won't start at all. The end light is flashing, and when I push start the lights change and nothing happens. What could it be?
Hi, my name is. I look forward to helping you. I suspect you may have a glitch in the electronics or the door lock is not operational. Will the door lock click or lock at any point? Unplug the machine for at least 4 hours to allow the board components to totally discharge and then see if it will come back and run a cycle. Let me know what happens.
Hi there, tried unplugging but no luck, still the same problem. End light flashes, and when I push start it changes to wash but doesn't do anything.
Does the door lock, or even click or buzz at all? Is there a pattern in the flashing of the end light, number of flashes between pauses?
Hi, there is no click of the door locking. I close the door and the end light flashes. Then I start the program and it moves to wash, then nothing happens at all. Eventually wash light flashes like program is paused.
I suspect the door lock is not closing the circuit, so the control still thinks the door is open. I believe the door lock will need to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.